Hello, good morning, guys. I'm back, man. This is, man, another update. Excuse me, y'all. Let me see y'all what I got going. For my 784 Granada. Alright, update. I'm waiting on this my in-tank fuel pump now so I can modify my fuel pump for in-tank. Update. I have my carb. I'm gonna try to do something with these wires because these wires they're a little bit long. So I'm trying to do something with these wires as well. I'm trying to get these wires, hooked up, connected right. My distributors, I already see the top dead center. Closest I can get, I know it's between 8 and 12 on the advance, so it's pretty much close. I do have a inline fuel pump wired to this that will work for the time being, just to get the engine to run. We try to run. Have brand new starter solenoid, brand new starter, brand new carburetor on it, brand new HEI distributor, clear cap. But right now I got my pigtail connector to it, so I just have to wire up the tach and the 12 volt positive key on, which I've removed my ignition box from right here. My fuel pressure regulator gonna sit right here. This is the old harness to the old 1G alternator. Excuse me, I'm gonna remove that. Try to clean it up, make it look decent. I know it looks a little messy and all these wires and shit everywhere, but ain't none of this shit gonna be on here. I'm gonna really wire everything. Wire them and stuff. But I have right here I have also, yeah, I got a new throttle cable and all this shit too. New throttle linkage and all that. I got all that too, so I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna take this old shit off. But anyway, only thing I have to do is mod my frame mounts to accept this engine and push it so to sit the engine down flush. But this is the connector you're gonna keep, because you're gonna keep a couple wires with the old ignition box. This wire right here is gonna be 12 volt power source to the choke. This goes to the choke. This is gonna be key on 12 volt power to the distributor. And the tach wire. So y'all the tach wire. I'm gonna probably peel this harness back just a little bit. Hell yeah, you're gonna definitely need these. This is for the oil pressure switch and the coolant temp sensor. It goes down here, and I'm gonna elongate one of these wires. This one right here, this one right here I'm holding, this goes to the oil pressure switch. This one right here goes to the coolant temp. I have a coolant temp right here. I'm gonna have a temp sensor right here. I had one right here, but I'm running an electrical fan, so I have a coolant temp sensor switch relay to power the fans. But I have a coolant temp right here, and I also have one right here in the back. So I'm gonna elongate the wire, for it to run. Sit right there. I have to order me another tensioner because the tensioner that I bought, it's this one right here. I bought it brand new. It's different. Fairly different. So I had to order the right one for me to run my belt. I had the right belt. The belt is 70.5. If you delete the smog pump, in Memphis, Tennessee, we don't have emissions and shit like that, so there's no need for no smog pump. So I deleted it. Also, it's starting to kind of crack my pulley, but I got a brand new pulley. Actually, this was a brand new pulley. I installed this pulley on the pump, so I do have warranty on it. So I'm gonna just take it back and get another one. But I think I got another pulley in there, brand new as well already. But it'll be addressed, it'll be fixed. But that's the update, man. I'm finna wire up this distributor. As far as the tech and the battery wire, just so I can already have that, wired up, and to make sure I'm getting spark. But I want to get the spark here first, and I knew the ignition box was shitty. Was messed up and shit. You had to beat on it and tap on it and shit. And it was shooting real weak currents to the coil. At times I had to tap on it and hit it. And it'll spark and shit, but it just wasn't acting right, man. That point shit I it really wasn't that because the distributor I got. Nah, that shit brand new. Like brand new. Like I just got it and put it in, but I just wanted to upgrade, so I got the HEI. That's how it looks at the moment. The wire's kind of long and shit, so I had to do something with that, man. Try to make it look neat and shit, cause it just looks, man. I mean, it's all right, but damn. But yeah, this is my stroke 306, 302 stroke to a 306 spec, Boss 306 specs in my 784 Granada, which was formerly a I6 car, V6. V6 is over there, still runs and everything. So if you're interested in purchasing my V6, it's original 250 CID board and stroke. Pushing almost 3. It's about like it. Actually had this car dyno before with this engine in it. I had rebuilt this engine years ago. I just stroked it and did head gaskets, all that type of shit. Turned the crank and all that type of shit. This changed a lot of shit. And it pushed out I think it maxed out at 296 horsepower. 250 cubic inch engine, Ford out of original, all complete. Still has the diesel in it, still got the oil in it, original alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, all the original belts, everything, the original still on it. You still got some of the hoses and lines and shit on it. You know what I'm saying? All this shit. See, it got filters and shit on it, so yeah, this bitch ready. But that's what we doing. I got some carbs over here. And the accelerator pump on that one is shit, it's crappy. I think the needle and float in that one kind of it just needs rebuilt. The 1 barrel carb, it desperately needs rebuilt. So y'all had to get at me, you know what I'm saying? Hit me up, and if you're interested in purchasing this engine, I got you. But just a little overview, man. I'm gonna come back to y'all, alright?